Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Esha, and as you all know me, and few of you who have been new to my channel, so please go and subscribe to my channel. So today I am going to share with you guys the Instagram strategy which I personally use it for myself. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, while choosing the username, be prominent, like what exactly you want. What are you trying to generate? Are you trying to generate the leads, or are you trying to grow your sales for your business on Instagram? So like for me, first I used to do even business on Instagram. So I kept the username according to the brand which I have, and also bio is very important. So bio, I'll just attach a screenshot how it should be, like what I have kept. So it should have the details about the email ID if it is a business account, and also it should have the details about what the Instagram page is about. So mention your name or the brand name, and also the details how people can contact you and get in touch with you if it's a business. So the next important thing is the good profile picture. So next thing is that be consistent with your post. Like I don't shoot every day, but when I shoot, after that I decide on which day I should post and what time I should post. So I schedule my post, and what time my followers are more engaging, so I post according to that time. For that you can check into the insights option on Instagram. So another important thing which I use personally is using hashtags. Tag people, tag location, put proper hashtags according to which when people are searching, so they can search what kind of content they are. So the next important thing which I do is follow people, like their profile and like their post. So when it comes to following people, so I go to the similar account as mine, which is into like digital media or which is trying to post similar content as I do. So what I'll do is I'll go to their comment section, or I'll go to their likes on the post. So I try to follow the people who are liking her post or that person's post, and by that way I try to gain more followers. But this would help you to certain extent. But if you are trying to build up your Instagram and gain followers really fast, so main thing what you want to do is focus on your post by making it more entertaining, that people know that okay, when they are coming back to your account, they are getting something new every time. So this is a basic technique what I try to invest or manipulate in my post, by which I can gain followers. And if you like my video, so please share it with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for seeing my video, and see you. Bye.